So, hello. I'm gonna show you how to how to hack the games, really. So first, you go to Cydia. Wait for that to load. It's a great hack. It's like a really great hack. You gotta see. Let me see. Go to sources, and then you download this. Download that. Ignore that at the top. You download system and App Store. And then when you download it, I have it in the description. The source I have in the description. When you download it, you go inside of it and download that local app store. And when you download it, it's gonna respire after you download it. You can go in there, tap settings, and you're gonna go in there and enable it. Now let me show you what it does. It had games like Most Wanted, Icy Tower 2, Subway Surfers, Temple Run 2. It had all kind of games. Wait, wrong game. Now, let me for this to load. Now you may have some difficulty when it comes on. It may ask you to enter a payment machine. You should click cancel because it'll add anyway. Let me show you. Wait, my mistake. Let me do this. And then you go to menu, get coins. See, look how much coins at the top and look how much streams. It's unlimited. No fault to it. Bye. Cancel. Still gonna add, see? This is cancel and it does it. You can get gems too, like. Bye. Still gonna add. Let's go to Subway Surfers. Let's show you what it does in here. It does kind of the same thing Temple Run does. Now you gotta wait for it. You gotta go to shop, get coins, buy, cancel. We're still gonna add, see? You can even get this. Still cancel. You'll see I forgot all the characters except him and him. All the boards that you can get, I got all of them. So that's all I gotta show you. And you can hack all kind of apps. I don't know about Roblox, NBA Jam, Need for Speed, yeah, all kind of apps like that. You can check the apps out for yourself and see them. Goodbye and good luck. I'll put the source in the description.